Good evening to everybody. I am particularly delighted to be here in Hyderabad today. It's not just the eve of the very prestigious India Aviation Week, but we have gathered to inaugurate and dedicate to the nation an integrated, best-in-class, third-party airframe maintenance, repair and overhaul facility. This is yet another landmark for the growing needs of aviation industry in India, which makes the country and the region proud, with full scale and scope of base maintenance facilities complying with all the regulatory requirements. This project is a shining example of South-South cooperation, which has been made possible by MAS and GMR Hyderabad, who have partnered to develop this aerospace engineering company. This is an example of how people-to-people contact manifests into ventures to the mutual benefit of two countries. I would like the Honorable High Commissioner to convey to the Government of Malaysia the greetings and good wishes of the Government and people of India. The aviation business all over the world, and especially in India, is in the throes of severe economic pressure. Our government has taken many steps to encourage growth and ease some of the pressures. Today, India is the world's 9th largest aviation market. The number of passengers in India is set to cross 300 million marks by 2020. At the moment, the Indian carriers get their aircraft serviced in the Gulf besides other destinations like Europe and Southeast Asia. I am happy that GMR Group has reinforced its commitment to aviation industry by building this facility besides the other infrastructure around this superb airport. Not only are our airports, both in the PPP mode as well as those run by AAI, now world-class, but an MRO facility of this sort in line with the vision for the Indian aviation industry for the 12th plan to propel India among the top 5 civil aviation markets in the world. My ministry is working on various plans to make the Indian skies not only safer by adopting newer technologies, but is also charting a growth plan for opening up many more airports in the underserved regions. Given the task at hand and the economic imperative, a robust aviation industry is not just important, but is vital for a nation to grow. I am delighted to see the leading airline operator who are here to lend their support to this landmark project. With this facility now in operation, not only airline operators in this part of the world can reduce their engineering and maintenance costs, but also our nation can earn and save precious foreign exchange. I'm also informed that GMR Group is building a complete ecosystem in the area around this airport, which is designed to boost traffic at the airport. This is going to be in the shape of medical facilities, education, and conferencing. The airport will thus act as an economic force multiplier. If the airport grows, so will the airlines. Thus, it is a win-win situation for all. Civil aviation is therefore not just about planes or their maintenance, but is in fact the forebringer of economic growth and prosperity. I wish all the employees and managers of this facility the very best. I would encourage you to constantly update and upgrade yourselves in order to uphold and maintain the highest standards of safety and quality. Thank you very much for inviting me to inaugurate this outstanding facility. Thank you.